Hi guys, welcome to my channel. Please join me as we explore the beautiful tourist spots in Singapore using my DJI Mini 4 Pro drone. And don't forget guys, the maximum allowed altitude here in Singapore is only 60 meters. And I suggest that you download the OneMap SG app in your mobile phone to guide you where are the areas which are outside the no-fly zone where you are allowed to fly your drone. Thank you for watching guys. Please don't forget to subscribe, comment and like. Hope to see you again on my next video.